In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Blogger. Let's dive in and explore the straightforward process that will have you navigating your Blogger account in no time. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you usually use to surf the web. Once your browser is open, type in the URL blogger.com. Hitting Enter will take you directly to Blogger's main homepage. Here, you'll notice a prominent sign-in button located at the upper right corner of the web page. Go ahead and give that a click. The next screen you encounter will prompt you to sign into your account. Blogger, being a Google service, requires you to use your Google account credentials for login. So, in the space provided, enter your Google email address or phone number. Now, you might be using different kinds of email services, such as Gmail or another email that's tied to Google. Either way, make sure the address you use is the one linked to your Google account intended for Blogger. Once you've entered your email or phone number, it's time to type in your password. Pay close attention to ensure you input this correctly. With that done, complete the login process by hitting the Next or Sign In button. An important note: if the account you're planning to use isn't listed immediately, Blogger offers a very convenient option. Simply click on Add Account or Sign In with a different account. This allows you to access any Google-linked email you might have, providing flexibility if you're managing multiple accounts. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to your Blogger dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, Blogger presents you with an overview of all the blogs associated with your account. It's an intuitive interface, giving you quick access to create new blog posts, edit existing ones, manage comments, or even customize the layout of your blog to better suit your style and needs. This dashboard practically serves as your central command center for all things Blogger, making it easy to keep your content fresh and engaging. Whether you're looking to start a new blog or continue working on an existing one, your dashboard is ready to assist you. And there you have it, the entire process of logging into Blogger, explained simply. With these clear steps, you should have no trouble accessing your Blogger account and managing your blogging activities efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.